Earlier we went to Target, and I just want to say that so earlier we went to Target, and I I bought all this is school supplies I needed for the upcoming classes. First is, ito talaga yung pinakadahilan kung bakit kami pumunta ng Target, kasi wala na akong sunscreen. And this is what I bought. Hero Force Shield Super Light Sunscreen. Dapat yung orange, yung apricot yung bibiling ko dahil mas suitable siya sa skin type ko, kasi hindi naman ako kaputian. More on morena side ako. But I really need a sunscreen. So, ang magiging masama lang dito is magkakaroon ako ng white cast. Pero, ano ba gagawin? Hintayin ko pa ba? Yung layo kasi ng Target magmula dito. And loofah, dito akin. But the Tree Hot Sugar Scrub. Vanilla scent. And then next is, I was supposed to buy a freckle pen, pero wala kasi. Color Pop available lang siya sa Target. So, I bought this as a substitute. My Sharpie. I bought this as an alternative shadow sticks. I can make it work naman, pero kasi may glitter effect siya. I was supposed to buy a gel liner as well, pero ayan. I can make it work. Testing nga natin. Nadadagdagan lang. Bukas na natin i-try. And next, Color Pop. 3 products yung binili. It was supposed to be 4 kasi nga yung gel liner, pero hindi pala siya nasama apparently. That's fine. I bought a highlighter. Kasi maganda daw to. Pero I was also considering the Wet n Wild. Pero meron naman siya sa Walmart, so dun ko na lang bibilihin. Milani. Melanie kasi nasasabi ko. Milani. Alam niyo ba na nickname ko ang Melanie? Napakalayo sa pangalan ko. Pero yun kasi yung tinawag sa akin ng teacher ko nung grade 9 ako. So, Melanie na rin ang pangalan ko. And then this one is a powder blush. I actually don't like powder based products, pero sabi kasi nila maganda raw to. It gives you a glow and it's long lasting. So sabi ko sige na nga. Tsaka minsan lang. And then last is this one. It's from ELF. It's a cream contour. And wala nito sa Walmart. No. I was also considering the cream blush. Kasi meron din silang ganito, cream. Pero wala doon, powder lang. Eh, di ba gusto ko nga ng mga cream. Milani na lang yung ko binili ko. May powder din naman sila, pero yun nga, I prefer the cream ones. Ito yung school supplies ko. Ito yung nakaraan ko pa. Isa-isa ko pa siyang binibili eh. Ito, e.l.f. to make your makeup last. Ito, Rescue Balm from the same, this is a color correcting. Para yung sa redness. Pero, pansin ko lang, parang hindi siya nagana sa akin. Or maybe, dapat yung apricot nga yung akin kasi nga, I'm morena. This one, Milani din. Ito, I love this. It tastes good. Medyo nagre-regret na ako na binili ko to kasi it's long lasting, okay? Pero, it's so drying. So drying to your lips. And, yun nga, mahirap siyang tanggalin. Pero, if you have cleansing balm naman, edi it should be easy. And I have a contour wand, which is from Milani as well. This is a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury, sabi nila. And lastly is I have this lip cream. Ayun lang. Iipunin ko sila. Okay, so that's it for my school supplies haul. Hope you guys enjoy and goodbye.